In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new method that I just recently discovered, so get your smartphone or computer ready and let's get started. As you already know, YouTube has a ton of videos, including music videos, funny videos, vlog videos. In this method I will give a brand new strategy to make money with YouTube videos. The good news is that there is no restriction on the number of videos you can watch, so the type of videos we're gonna have to go for are educational videos, which I'm about to demonstrate to you in just a minute. You can earn $2 for every single video that you watch. Videos about science are another excellent example that you can use for this. By this point, I believe you understand that the general idea is that you should choose educational videos rather than entertaining ones because the latter won't bring you any revenue. You can also pick a niche you like, and as you can see, it's going to give you a lot of great ideas that you can search for on YouTube. This is going to be so simple and easy that you don't need to have any experience or anything like that, but I just want you to pay attention now. So I'll choose this one as an example. Next, you should watch the video for a few minutes to ensure that it's high quality. You should also check the video's view count to ensure that it has a respectable number of views because a low view count isn't a good sign. However, this particular video seems to be of good quality, so I'm going to move on to the next step. You should also copy the URL of the video you want to share. This website, Anthiago.com, is where you are. This is a tool for online video transcription. Once you get to this page, all you need to do is paste the URL of your YouTube video here. Then, click on Transcript directly below. After a brief delay, you will see the video's transcript on a page similar to this. If you want to copy the entire script, click where it says Copy Transcript. So now I'm doing that. I'm going to use Google Docs for this because it's very user-friendly, but you can use any other program that works similarly. I'm going to click Go to Docs and then I'm going to click the plus button to create a new document. Now that I've pasted the script from our YouTube video, I want to try organizing and modifying the sections to make the whole script look like an artwork. The next step is to go to this website right here. Write ryrob.com/paragraph-rewriter on your browser. This tool will help you create a new version of the original article. Basically, you want to paste the text we just copied right here, click right here where it says Rewrite, and as you can see, it only takes a few seconds to rewrite your text. Then just click here to copy your new text, and then go to this website. All of the websites I'm showing you in this video are completely free. The website we're going to be using next is called 𝐌𝐚𝐤𝐬𝐧𝐠. This is the most crucial part of the video and I want you to pay attention here because I'm going to show you how to make hundreds of dollars by simply posting this article once. I'll show you in a moment how much you will be paid specifically, but to post an article on this website you must first create an account. Simply click where it says Join and then fill out your personal information there like your name, email, and password and click Sign Up. They will then send you an activation link to your email. Simply click it to verify your email. After you do that, click this icon in the top right corner and select Create Story. This page will then appear. You can write the title of your YouTube video here. Since this is the video I'm using, I'll just copy the title and paste it into this space. You can also add subtitles to further explain the content of the video. To make your article look even more polished, click where it says Splash Image, and then use the search bar to find images that are relevant to the subject of your YouTube video. For instance, if that occurred to you, you may just utilize this other website, which is called Pixels.com and offers royalty-free images. As you can see, there are an infinite number of images available for you to choose from. To download an image, simply click the download icon, and it will begin downloading to your device. Then, simply return to this page and click the upload button. You can find hundreds of images here on any particular topic that you like, and you can use these images on your article without any problems. Let's type something random here, like a lion. The next step after you do images is to just paste your article that we made earlier here, and once you do that, just click on Save Changes and this will allow you to submit your article for publication. As I said, they already have Unsplash images here, and you're most likely to find the image you're looking for on here, but if not, you can just use the other option, which is Pixels. Or whatever it is, you can do that and just save the changes. Now as for how much they will pay you, you can just click on Vocal and it will show us the prices. So as you can see here, you're going to earn 3.80 for each person that reads your article on this website, which is not bad at all since they don't have to buy anything or anything like that, they just have to read. Now you can click here if you want to learn a new way to make money online. That's it for today. For more interesting story videos, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for never missing updates.